We are here at EMO 2025, and as always, Filtermist are here. A new product, the AW. Tell us all about it.
Well, thank you, Joe. Look, this AW is the new product we're very proud to launch here in the show, and it is a step up of what we have done so far. It's made for applications where the Filtermist product portfolio was there, but not really the right portfolio. So we're now able to close a gap for precision engineering, neat oil, high pressure applications, where the particle sizes get to a low micron, sub-micron level, and this is where the AW is targeted and designed for. So really proud to show it here.
Okay, so this fits the gap between a traditional Filtermist and the absolute machine. So maybe sliding head machines, grinders potentially.
Yeah, you can say that it fills, but also I would say the absolute still is on the centralized unit. So it goes. This goes to the machine-mounted world, and the Filtermist unit is machine-mounted. So this goes up a level. So yeah, it fits the gap quite well in between. And like I said, it's made for applications where in the past we couldn't really offer good machine-mounted solutions in the group as such.
And I know it's part of a larger family. Is this a smaller one?
Yeah, this is what you see here is the AW2. We have at the moment 3 versions, AW2, AW5, AW8, which means air flows from 250 meter cubes per hour up to 800 meter cubes per hour. It comes with 2 filtration stages, so if I can now show you and open it here. So you have a first filtration stage, which is absolute patented catch and release technology here. And if you open it, you see it's super easy to take the filters out, to change them when you need to service them. And the second filtration stage, which comes then to a HEPA level filtration. Filter life, we're looking at 9,000 hours on a 1-shift usage, which is really good. And like I said, it's the perfect product for the application where we have targeted it.
And around the world, there's growing energy costs. Is that something you've factored into this product?
I would say this is the product that has the best energy efficiency and energy balance that we have done so far. This unit you see here with 250 meter cubes per hour has an energy consumption of less than 200 watt at the moment. And if you put this in context, this is a really good energy efficient product. And also there's a clever control algorithm inside that actually controls the motor speed depending on the pollution level on the filters, which means we always use the energy we need, but also keep it as efficient as possible while guaranteeing the airflow of the product that we promise on the datasheet.
Okay, and it's brand new here at EMO. When is it available? Can people buy it today?
You can buy today, deliveries will start in 4 weeks from now.
Okay, so how do they find out more information?
Obviously on our website, as always, you can find information, and we have distribution partners across the world, so contact them. But generally, we are partners around the world. This is available as a Filtermist product and as an upstream product in various markets, so contact us through our normal channels.
Well, thank you very much. I think it's going to be very successful because of energy consumption. Like you say, it does fit a slight gap in the portfolio, so congratulations.
Thank you very much.